Did you swallow wrong? Kelly, did you swallow wrong? I got a crazy little goat hitting me in the back and rubbing on me. I got this one who just wants love in. I got this one of the little girl who just wants love. What did you get into, Paddle? Huh, Kelly? What did you guys get into? I just got done feeding you. You can see all the little goats in there eating grain. They are doing so good that way. Oh, I'm getting beat up. I am getting beat up, Kelly. What do you think, bud? Huh? Oh. Roxy, what do you think? Huh? You come right up to see me? You're a good little goat. Yes, you are. Yeah. So soft. Guys are chewing on me all the time. Yes, you don't need to chew on me. You don't need to chew on me. Such good little girls. What's a rock? What are you doing down there? You are so strong. Hi, Zoe. Did you come to talk to me? Huh, Miss Zoe? Are you saying what you say, little girl? Oh. You just like to see where everything is. Yeah. Well, we got the snow. Okay, we got 10 inches of snow or so. Oh, Kelly. Ugh. What am I supposed to do with you? You just want loving. She had to crawl under my arm, across, and then down onto the ground. Just so she could be in the spot. She can chew on my zipper pull. It was really windy. It's still windy. It's not, otherwise it's not too bad. Yeah. Good little goats. Good little goats. All over the place. Let's go up here and see. In the feeder. We're 6'8" in here. Yeah, that's good little girls. And good little boys. Mischief and Mindy, Roxy, Jessica. It's like Don. Maybe Mr. Peaches was in there too. I think he left. Such good little goats. Well, I'm gonna go out and try and finish and give the other goats some hay and give the horses some hay. And then I've got a little mosquito here. Poor little mosquito. She had to come and say hi. She's a good little goat. You could go in there and get some grain. Yeah. Boy, they are just busy. Hi, Mr. Don. You have always been the cutest little man. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. And I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening.